Okay, today is gonna be a little bit different because I'm posting a fursuit unboxing video. Yeah. If you don't like that type of stuff, don't worry. Again, I still have animations in the works and I have speed paints all sketched out and ready to go. So just wait till then and click off this video if you don't like that stuff. But anyway. I'm gonna cut myself. There we go. Okay. There we go.
There we go. Oh, it's from Walmart.
What's a Walmart
That's where the best
box?
fursuits come from.
Hell yeah. You know, Maskimals.
It's all bagged and everything.
That's it.
Yo.
Okay, so we're gonna do head first.
Yeah, just jump head first.
Ah! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Eyes!
Yeah, that's what,
it's huge.
that's what Mom was poking earlier.
Gang, gang.
Don't say, got my stream out.
I'm just said Gucci gang isn't a phrase anymore. Yo, yo, yo. Yo.
The whiskers.
Pull the bag, Maya.
Oh my god, pull the bag out, pull the bag.
Yo. It has little pink tufts in the ears.
Look at my
It's
boy.
huge.
You see this? Oh my god. Oh, I think his paws are in here. Yeah.
Give us the beans.
beans.
Those are huge.
Look at these little
Gotta
beans.
say, those are the best beans I've ever seen.
Gotta put them on
Even
there.
the lining matches the beans.
Yeah, I asked them to do it like that. Ooh.
Can I touch this?
Yeah. Look at this. Oh my god, Triple did such a great job.
It even smells nice.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at his scars. They're kind of buried in the fluff, but they're still there. Oh,
Those little
fluffy.
scars.
Okay, now we're gonna try the head on.
Can I show the clips?
Yeah, go ahead. A nice lined head. It looks so good.
Yo, these are huge. There's even like elastic in them. I gotta say, this is a really good maker.
10 out of 10 ventilation and vision. Oh, the whiskers. These are little whiskers. Oh my god. He's
see the
so
mouth?
cute. His little teethies. You can see their teeth. His eyes. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Now, they are a Digigrade 3/4, so we got some more stuff. Now I need to just stuff the calves. But look at
How
that!
do we do that?
Okay, so this part goes up like that. Yeah. The
Like that? Or is it the other way around?
There's probably a pocket for them to fit in there so they don't lose them,
like
huh?
that, isn't it?
I think it might be the other way.
Is it the other way?
You get to see us do trial and error with a first-time digisuiter.
Hell yeah, Brett.
Oh yeah, I think it goes this way.
That way?
Yeah.
There we go. We did it. We figured it out.
Get one out.
Did it, Dora?
Gotta
Oh yeah.
give us a spin, get a seat, little tail action. Oh,
I
so
also
cute.
think these need to scoot up a bit more. I don't know. I'll figure it out. As time goes, you know.
How's this feel?
Good. Does that look good?
I think it looks pretty great. Now you gotta get the beans on.
Okay. Can you help me with
Yeah.
that?
I think this
I
is
give
good.
props to
Triple Crown creation. I think that's how you do it.
oh my god. Okay, so yeah,
Do we get it?
we got it. We got it.
It's coming loose.
Is it coming loose?
There we go. I think. Yo, that looks so good.
Oh my
Gotta aim
god.
it down
Can
a
you aim
little
it down a bit, Mom?
Yo! How's it
Okay.
feel?
It feels awesome. It's super cushy, way cushier than Kasha's paws. No offense to who made those, but
I think these are also sock paws.
these, yeah, I think these are too.
Is it all the way in?
There, now
Oh,
it's-
that's what she said.
I
That was horrible. Yo, it even got like a stripe going on right here.
Look at that sexy man.
Detail.
Oh my god. I'm literally, I don't cry, but this is
Imagine having emotion.
couldn't be me. Okay.
Yo, it is the thickest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, I'll put on my head in a
This
sec.
is what they mean by thick thighs save lives. Honestly.
Yeah, I'm gonna have like, when I wear him, I'm gonna have like a hoodie that goes a little bit lower, so, but.
Yo, you could get a half black, half orange hoodie.
Oh my god, yeah, dope. Okay, time for the full thing. Oh my god. This is awesome.
He's so cute. Oh, that's the wrong one.
Is it the wrong one?
That one goes there.
There we go. Oh.
Oh, it's skill to get them on with those beans.
Oh my god! Ah! Ooh, ooh.
Do the stanky leg. I don't know how to do the stanky leg either. How's the foam feeling? Is it in place?
It's moving around a bit, but I think I'll get better at placing them as time goes on. I can't see the comments, I'm so sorry. But I'm baby and you're not. Fight me right now. Fight me! Yeah, this one over here, I think I'll figure out the pocket a bit more. But other than that, everything fits great. I'm getting sweaty already. But can't wait for Anther Northwest, and also props to Wild Dog Ho, because I've seen them dance in their digi-suit. I can barely even move right now. How do you do that, dude? But
They're mad wanted.
hello.
I'm baby.
No, I'm
You're even more baby.
Seriously.
I'm second baby.
There you go. Wait, can you take my DTD out of the box? I want to jump in. Yeah, ignore that gross stuff. We're getting in the box.
It's cat box time.
It's cat box time, guys. Can I get in the box?
If this suit fit, you can fit.
We're good. It's cat
Getting in
box time.
boxes.
Ooh.
What's it like having an extra like
Oh,
feet
oh,
of
oh.
legs?
Can you take a picture?
Yes.
I thought you were gonna tip over, are you, hon?
No. Bitch, stop to the queen. I'm the
gonna
queen.
take a video.
I'm the king of boxes. Don't you come for my fucking crown. Let's go. Square up. Square up. King of boxes. I'm gonna tip over.
That's what I call royalty.
Oh, I dropped the box. The king of boxes has fallen. I've been dethroned. No. I'll find another box. Don't worry. The legacy shall live on. Oh no. Oh, I'm too thick. Can't handle
a problem
thickness.
I'd never think to have.
But that's my dog.
Action.
Come here. He's gonna growl at you. Yeah. Come here.
Dog boy.
Okay.
Shout out to Sparkles.
Shout out to my dog Sparkles.
It's a dude.
He didn't do anything, but it's still,
He did his best.
yeah. That's all that matters, folks.